Welcome to ATP Customs. So I've decided that I would look at a few parts on my Corvette, which turned into tearing everything apart and getting rid of all the shag carpet and the velvet dash that was in it. I don't recommend doing this for fun. Taking Corvette apart's not great. But we have a multitude of colors here. We have purple, we have yellow, there is some orange, there is black, there's blues. That's blue there. Definitely one of the worst paint jobs I've ever seen. And even the cool little 70s lights have blue paint all over them. All the wiring's covered, so the Corvette's getting done. I have to do it. I love building cars. There's my big wide doors. There you go. Taking my Corvette apart, getting rid of the purple, no more 70s. We're going to upgrade this thing and update it a lot. Thanks for watching.